ya jaling pan wo che go to breaking news our former president ka United States of America Donald J. Trump charged the assassinate yesterday but to fail an assassination benalawu amelachal ka atom assassination atom melanu charge moy ka bot charge yinjel cho domai cho wo chu ka jidame jidke na barbara kon ga lewlin ayana adong telien jidga ko ndara pena wanda dong telien jidke no gob gob ko ni jid leer janda ka ni jid la yala ngade jid la yala kundur ayana dia wajja do dawlo na wangde bat cho daware ni jid from jid tara ayana ala nyal fan la ka wajara melulu emecho tuwa ka tama pai na ma to kon tuwa ka 1984 ke 85 me chawun mala chal ka Reagan cha jabar ka assassination attempt she just survived melulu we talking about 39 years ago no 40 years I mean 39 years ago and cha Reagan tuwa jabar dan the late Reagan former president of the United States of America again chipper tuwa ka tama ka Trump and 49 years later the assassination attempt to the former president United States to happen. We all condemn such act. No one want to harm the president of the nation, neither former president as well. The current president or former president. Any leader from the Congress, House of Representatives, state level governor, no one want to harm the leader. America is a democracy world that we want to enjoy the democracy. Therefore, we are not supposed to harm our leader. It's not a good idea to harm the leader. All you can do is vote. If you don't like that candidate, your message is vote. Just vote. And take this man out, but not to eliminate him. And no. Our fight, if you don't like the candidate, you can defeat the candidate by your vote, not by gun, not by anything. You cannot do that. Not in America. The suspect has died as well. Kacha nay to kokian the shop karau, to attendance, chaka nagbo. No. Milano ko Mike, cha yod and yal. You just tumble a beret. You again, you are never what bar with me. Catch you on point the suspect and just rifle. To a bear. And make you to a pan come like to a Butler, Pennsylvania. Make your Trump go compare till pan. Nayana go dolbo and met up with 2004. I want to look along on my daughter, go on a quarter and never yet. I want to look along. And his vote is the number one fight. His vote is the number one fight, not bullet. He can vote for Democrat Party. If he doesn't like Republican Party, vote for Democrat Party or vote for Independent Party or Labour Party, whatever party you choose, or do not vote if you don't like the candidate. You cannot take the candidate out of the ballot through gunshot. No, it's unacceptable in our democracy world, in the United States of America. We cannot do that. Bannaran do it vote. Tell you I can't go over there. I told you, I told you, I told you, I told you, I told you,